Good afternoon, class 5. So today we'll do a new chapter, okay? That is integer. That percentage, everything finished, okay? Till word sums we did. Now next new chapter is integers. Now integers means like you know that when you sometimes you fail, sometimes you pass, isn't it? Sometimes you'll have profit, sometimes you'll have loss, isn't it? Sometimes you go down, sometimes you go up. Yes, isn't it? All these positive and negative, going down, getting low, if you are fail, okay, in any subject, or all negative things, and the positive ones, you go up, okay, you go up, you pass, you get a profit, all these positive ones, negative and positive, okay, and zero, like in between there is zero, above zero will be good things, isn't it, and below zero will be negative, isn't it? So if you put it together, it will be integer, okay? So positive numbers, because it is mathematics, so we'll talk about numbers. So good things is positive and bad things is negative, and there is zero in between. So together we call this integer, okay? Integers, the number, the positive and negative numbers together with zero is called integer. Like you have a positive means plus 5, and in between you have 0, minus 2 means negative, okay, minus 2, minus 7, plus 10, plus 3, like that, minus 6, minus 100, all these numbers are called integer, okay, integers. Now I am going to explain it with the help of number line here, okay. So in between positive, at this side, right hand side you have positive numbers, and left hand side you have negative numbers, okay, and in between there is 0. So 0 is the mark be in right hand side of 0 are positive numbers, and left hand side of 0 is negative numbers. Like here you can see plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Why I didn't write? If you don't write any sign, that positive or negative, if you don't write anything, that means it's always positive, it's always plus. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, 5, 6, it goes on and on. These are normal numbers, which we counting numbers, which we always use it, okay. Till now we were doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of these numbers, okay. Now these numbers, these are negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You know about weather also, no? Sometimes minus 1 degree, it's so cold, isn't it? If it is warm, it will be plus this side. You know that if it is below 0, it will be very cold. You know that your parents talk about it, isn't it? So here we have 0 and positive, negative numbers. They are called integers, okay. Now with the help of this only, I am going to compare the integers. Which one is bigger, which one is smaller, you should know that, isn't it? With normal numbers you know which one is bigger, which one is smaller. But what about negative numbers? And negative numbers with positive numbers, you should know that, isn't it? So first we will compare positive numbers only, okay. Let's compare plus 4 and plus 8. Which one is bigger? Always plus 8. And one more thing I forgot to tell you is, as you go this right hand side, you can see the numbers are increasing, isn't it? 1, then it becomes 2, then it becomes 3, 4, 5, 6. It is increasing, and its value will also increase when it goes right hand side, okay. The value will also increase. 5 plus 5 and this is plus 9. So plus 9 is bigger than plus 5. Okay, but here just the opposite in this case. If you go left hand side from 0, if you move to left hand side, though the numbers will increase, it is same like this only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but the value will decrease. Remember, here when you go to right, move to right hand side, value increases. Okay, value increases. And in this side, if you go to left hand side, value decreases. Value decreases. Value decreases means if you compare minus 3 with minus 7, and you will think that, oh, 7 is bigger than 3, isn't it? But if it is minus, just opposite. 7 will be smaller and 3 will be bigger. Okay, so minus 3 will be bigger than minus 7. It is like this. So, we are doing comparing integers with the help of this number line. Now, I was telling you about comparing positive numbers only. If you compare positive numbers only like plus 5 and plus 9, always 9 will be bigger, isn't it? So, plus 9 is bigger than plus 5. If you compare plus 1 with plus 4, 4 will be bigger. Everyone knows that. In positive case, it is as usual. Okay, no change at all in positive. Now, compare with 0. 0 is bigger or positive numbers, like 0 is bigger or plus 4 is bigger. Which one is? Naturally 4 is bigger, isn't it? So, when you compare with 0, always the positive will be winners. Okay, so they are bigger than 0 also. Now, let's compare these negative numbers, minus 2 and minus 6. Which one is bigger? It looks like 6 is bigger, isn't it? But in minus, just opposite will be. So, minus 2 will be bigger. Okay, it will decrease, the value will decrease. I said that time only. Value will, as it goes to left hand side, moves to left hand side, value will decrease. So, minus 2 will be bigger than minus 7. Okay. Now, let's compare this negative numbers with 0. Let's compare with 0. 0 is bigger or minus 3, minus 6, which one is bigger? 0 is bigger or minus 3? You'll always say 3 is bigger. No. If there is minus sign, then 0 will be bigger. Okay, because it is below 0, minus. Okay, so always the 0 will be bigger if you compare 0 and negative numbers. Minus 8 is bigger or 0? 0 is bigger. Okay, so you compared positive numbers with each other and you compared in its group only. Negative numbers also you compared with each other. Then you compared positive with what? 0. Then negative number with 0. Now, let's compare positive and negative. Okay. Plus 4 is bigger or minus 4? Plus 4 is bigger or minus 3 is bigger? Always who wins? Positive. If you are positive in your thoughts also, you will be winner in life. Okay, just like that. Here you can put it that way also. So, plus 4 is bigger or minus 3 or minus 6? Plus 4 is bigger. Plus 9 is bigger or minus 8? Which one is bigger? Plus 9. Plus 5 is bigger or minus 5 is bigger? Always plus 5 is bigger. Okay, so these are the comparisons. So I'll write it here, comparing integers. If you have to compare, plus 6 is bigger or minus 8 is bigger. Okay, okay, first we'll compare positive numbers. Okay, positive. Okay, here only positive. Plus 6 is bigger or plus 8? Always 8 will be bigger, isn't it? Okay, now minus, let's take minus. Minus 6 is bigger. Minus 8, 6 is bigger or minus 8 is bigger? Which one is bigger? Minus 6, negative one. Okay. Then with 0, let's compare with 0. Plus 6 is bigger or 0 is bigger? 6 is bigger because it is positive, isn't it? This one. Now minus 6 is bigger or 0 is bigger? 0 is bigger if it is negative, remember that. Now let's compare positive and negative. Okay. Plus 6 is bigger or minus 8 is bigger? Plus 6. Always positive wins. Okay. So positive is bigger than other numbers. If you are comparing negative, be careful. Okay. If you are comparing with 0, 0 will be bigger. If you are comparing with positive numbers will be bigger. But if you compare among themselves in that group, negative numbers only, the number which looks bigger, like minus 6 and minus 8, 8 looks bigger, but it will be just opposite. 6 will be bigger, or 6 will be, minus 6 will be winner. Okay. So this is the comparison among integers, and you know integers means positive and negative number with 0 is called integer. Okay. So that's all today. I'll give you homework tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.